I mean, it can make music, it can make art, it can make creative works, writings. It can make screens. I have a friend of mine that's actually been working on screenwriting, and he's actually been in the film industry for a couple of decades. And he's actually coming up with a script, and he's using AI to help him come up with new thoughts and new ideas and kind of plot lines and all kinds of crazy things. And it's actually writing a bunch of the script. I mean, not all of it, right? I mean, it's kind of giving him like a base based on what he tells it to do, mind you, right? So it's still kind of very interactive. It's not just straight up just make me a movie or make me a script. It's not that simple. He still has to interact with it and produce a lot of this, but it saves him hours of handwriting a lot of this stuff. And he can go in and kind of add his own flavor to it and his own feel and still make it his, but he's using these tools to really kind of advance that. So lots of things you can do with this. Okay. We talked about discriminative AI models. That's kind of like your traditional ML and things like that. Basically classify or predict outcomes. That's kind of been around. We've been doing that for some time. As I mentioned, I got kind of into the ML landscape specifically because of security, right? And so we wanted to be able to predict things like everything from predicting potential fraud with banking customers of mine, where we're predicting whether or not a particular transaction might be fraudulent.